Hare Krishna everyone, welcome back to Gore's Galaxy. National Birds #3. Trivia guidelines: take a paper and pen. For every correct answer, give yourselves 1. For every incorrect, give yourselves 0. After the last question, add all of them up and check your results. What is the name of the national bird of Bharat, India? Indian peacock, crow, eagle. And the right answer is the Indian peacock. What is the name of the national bird of United States of America, USA? Wild pigeon, bald eagle, American sparrow. And the right answer is the bald eagle is the national bird of America, USA. What is the name of the national bird of United Kingdom? European robin, blue sparrow, white stork. And the right answer is the European robin. What is the name of the national bird of Malaysia? Falcon, Malaysian eagle, rhinoceros hornbill. And the right answer is the rhinoceros hornbill. What is the name of the national bird of Singapore? Blue crane, crimson sunbird, golden eagle. And the right answer is the crimson sunbird. What is the name of the national bird of Peru? Peru bird, Indian cock of the rock, white-tailed eagle. And the right answer is Indian cock of the rock. Amazing name, no? What is the name of the national bird of Brazil? What is the name of the national bird of Brazil? Rufous-bellied thrush, Brazilian eagle, Brunoy duck. And the right answer is rufous-bellied thrush. What is the name of the national bird of Japan? Dr. Bird, green pheasant, samanya sparrow. And the right answer is the green pheasant. What is the name of the national bird of Canada? Mourning dove, Canadian pigeon, Canada jay. Canada jay. What is the name of the national bird of Philippines? White sparrow, Philippine dove, Philippine eagle. And the right answer is the Philippine eagle. What is the name of the national bird of Mexico? Golden eagle, Saker falcon, gold crest. And the right answer is the golden eagle. What is the name of the national bird of Finland? Duck, whooper swan, white eagle. And the answer is whooper swan. Whooper swan. What is the name of the national bird of France? Red hen, brown cock, Gallic rooster. And the right answer is the Gallic rooster. What is the name of the national bird of New Zealand? Kiwi, black sparrow, Black-tailed godwit. And the right answer is black-tailed godwit. What is the name of the national bird of Australia? Kangaroo, emu, swan. And the right answer is emu. The results, congratulations to all for step forward towards the Guys Galaxy of Knowledge. If you got 12 to 15 marks genius, 10 to 11 marks brilliant, 5 to 10 marks good but could do better, 0 to 5 marks play again and research more and more. Good luck. Keep learning. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our trivia and believe to share knowledge, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest updates. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Bye.